Algebra 2 students, a brand new type of problem, number 36. Let's look at it because you'll have to do this in class. And if I'm not here, you will have to understand how to do this. So here we go. There's definitely an argument or a debate that can happen here. And if you're on the fence about whether you simplify what's inside this first, or if you distribute this and start cubing everything first and then simplifying, you can actually do it either way and get the right answer. I always kind of go with whatever's easiest as my favorite way to do this stuff. So when I can deal with smaller numbers, it's always better. So what I'm going to do first is just leave this cube alone out here, and I'm going to simplify as much stuff as possible in here. Now, again, for you fans of the visual learners, I'm going to kind of shrink the size of this down a little bit. X squared is going to be x times x, y to the fourth. There's 4 y's. X, 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 y, y, y. Now, this is, of course, a very elementary school way of looking at this problem, but it's so powerful for visual learners out there. So just watch this. I can always go back and do it with the rules of exponents. But this cancels, that cancels, y's, another y, and you look at what's left. And, of course, this 6 and this 3 can also cancel. What would go here? And down here would be a 1. So whatever's left gets put in back inside this, and I would have 2 on top. What else is on top? Y to the, I have a y here and a y here. Oh, I didn't cancel it. Okay, good. Excellent. So it'd be y to the first, gold star for you. And on the bottom, it would be x squared. So this whole thing simplifies to 2y over x squared. I think you would almost have to do it that way. I mean, it makes logical sense to do that. Now I'm going to cube everything. So it's going to turn into 2 to the third, which is 8. Y, now it's y to the first here, so that's going to be y to the third. And on bottom, x to the sixth power. Okay, and now you look, so that exponent is now gone from the outside. We can actually drop these parentheses off. I'll just rewrite it. 8y cubed over x to the sixth. You look for anything else that'll cancel, and there are no other terms to be put together, so that is your final answer. I would invite you to try to cube all this stuff first and then simplify it and see if it is easier or if you like it better. But I think this is the way to do it. You guys have a good one.